Today we will see how to merge multiple tables in a single table. I mean consolidation of multiple tables in single tables using Microsoft Excel. So let's see. Suppose we have various sales data for various reasons. Reason A, reason B and reason C. Sometimes we need to consolidate this regional data for a central reporting purpose. So it is very easy. And if we use some technique tips or some built-in functions of Microsoft Excel, you can make it within very short time. So first, we'll have to make this consolidated sheet separately, or you can make it in the same sheet. We'll consolidate the product and sale data. So how? Suppose in sales A there is some product and their sales. In region B, the same product, or sales B, there are some product which is present in region A and region B, and there are some product may not be present in the both. It may present in single sheet. Or region C, the same data is here for the product. So this table's data is not same, but we need to summarize this. Summarize by summation, or summarize by average, or summarize by minimum sales or maximum sales. So how? First we will select this cell, and we'll insert a function or comment in Microsoft Excel. Just go to that tab data and select the consolidated command under data tools. So if we click on the consolidate command, we'll get this dialog box. You can get this dialog box through your keyboard very shortly. Just alter A and N, then you will get the same dialog box. Now what is here in this dialog box? First is function. You will have to choose the function that you require, because if you want to make the sum of the sales data, then you will have to check sum, or if you want to make the average in the consolidated table, you will check average, or if you want to make the maximum minimum, you will have to choose the function accordingly. Okay, we'll first select sum, because we want to make the sum of the consolidated in the consolidated table, then sum. So then reference means the sales data, or the multiple tables data which you want to consider for this consolidation. First, this is region 1 and this is the sales data. So when we have select the data with the level or heading of the column, we'll say this is the reference cell. Reference cell is B2 to C16. B2 to C16. After selecting the data range, we will just add it. Now go to the next table or next data, region B. It is automatically selected. We will select this range and add again. If you go to the region C, you get the selection is here and just add. So we have three child table or regional table which is already selected in this dialog box. Now if you have another table, you will have to select in the same way. So as we do not have any other table, we will just solve the selection of the single table. Now the use levels in, we will use top row here, and the left column the product name. You know in the left of the sales report there is product name. Then just click on the OK and you will get the magical result. Okay, let's check. Yes, we have got the all sum of various items. If these items are unique here, if any item is both in A or B, or among if any item is present in the whole sales report, you will get only one time for here. It is just unique. In chain, if we check the chain, it is 10,000. Region 1 chain is 10,000. Region B, there is no chain. Region C, there is no chain. So 10,000 here. If we check the shorts, Suppose shorts, if we check reason 1, where is the shorts? Yes, short is 13,300, and B, is there any shorts? Yes, 12,000. In C, you see there is no short. So the summation of that is 25,300. So if you check the other items separately, we'll get the same result. So this is the consolidation summarization summary or consolidation and sum the total sale in a single table. You can get it within a short time. Now, if you want to get the same summary report of average, I mean average sale of the various product, then we will have to go in the same way. We will just select the function here average, and we have already selected the D2 cell, and we will get the OK. Then you will get the whole average sales of that various sales table. So now it is very clear that we can get multiple report in a single table, multiple data in a single table with a short time. Due to the sake of the tutorial, we are taking much time to make you understand it easily. But in real life, when you will work for it, you will see that it is taking only some seconds or some minutes, which actually depends on the size of your child table or the sales data. Thank you everybody. Hope these tips and tricks will be helpful for your daily life. If you have any other queries of these tutorials or any other queries of Excel, you can just post your comments here. We must answer your comments, or we will give the feedback. Thank you all.